Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Innovate Teaching Channel. Recently, I uploaded a video on basic information about CTET. If you haven't watched it, please watch the video. The YouTube link is provided in the description box. By the way, do you think it's already too late to start the preparation of CTET? Or do you feel stress in the preparation of CTET? And are you willing to cover the whole syllabus within the time limit? Come on, guys. Let's start the preparation. I have a good strategy. May I help you in the preparation of CTET? Check my plan, buddies. See, this is my weekly plan from Innovate Teaching Channel. On every Monday and Thursday, I was sure going to upload a video which may focus on all the important and repeated bits of CTET. And on Sundays, it's your turn, guys, to take the complete notes of my videos and do the revision. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment. I'm signing off. Bye.